बढ़कर मेरी खुशी।
Assam's age-old ethnic fabric, under strain for a long time, begins to rip at the seams. As its Bodo-led tribal populations refuse to back off their intensified demand for separate statehood. The bands and train blockades continue, paralyzing the state, further disrupting lives of those who are trying to recover from the ethnic riots that broke out last year between the Bodos and Bengali Muslims. Over 70 people were killed and an estimated 4 lakh people displaced. It's a new day and a new call for Bandh by the separatists in Kokrajhar, the main city in Bodoland Council, a territorial privilege given to the Bodos along the lines of their proposed statehood in 2003. In exchange, they had to surrender militancy. Neelu Brahmo and her sisters have just been told that their school has closed indefinitely. This would have been their first day in school after a year. A Bodo family, their village Monal Khosa, was among the first to be targeted when the Bodo Muslim riots broke out last July. They lost everything and were forced to move into a relief camp. The sisters had to drop out of school.
Relief थाहैबाय ओमफ्राय बेयाव रिलिफआव थाहैनानै सानब्रै सानबानिफ्राय जोंखौ स्कुल खुलिहां टाइम जाबाय नालायथो जोंनि मास्टारा नाम लांफैबाय माबा माबि ओमफ्राय स्कुलाव जोंखौ लेंनानै लांबाय लांनानै बेनिफ्राय लेखा रानना हरबाय लेखा ओमफ्राय बेनिफ्राय जोंखौ स्कुलाव लेंहरबाय बेनिफ्राय जों स्कुल थांबाय थाबाय
पूरा हमला हो गया बोला ये आओ भागो 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 क्या करेगा हम बच्चा को लेके भागेगा ना वो कपड़ा छपड़ा लेके भागेगा बोलो.
The Bodo community to which Neelu belongs is the largest and the oldest plain tribe in Assam with a rich cultural history. A history that unfortunately has become synonymous with conflict. Since the 60s, they have demanded a separate Bodo land on the north side of the Brahmaputra, feeling that their identity and economic assertion is undermined by the Assamese population. The conflict has been long and bloody, now emboldened by the Telangana resolution. Even though non-Bodo protests have become strong, just like the Simandhara protests for a united Andhra Pradesh. Last year, the Bodos clashed with Bangladeshi migrants protesting against a large-scale illegal influx into Bodo districts, eating into their land and resources. They didn't lose many lives given the organized nature of the Bodoland movement, but both the poor and unorganized Muslims and the Bodos have been evicted from each other's strongholds. Children like Neelu and her sisters are caught between the Bodo struggle for statehood and the Bodo clashes with Muslim immigrants. Many families from Monal Khosa continue to live in the camps. Some are afraid to return home and others don't have the resources to rebuild their lives. The Brahmos are among the few to have come back. Most of the compensation they received has gone towards restoring their home. Picking up the pieces is a slow, painful journey. In their absence, the fields have been burned, the livestock stolen. There is no money to buy books for the new term or uniforms. The family is still determined to send the girls to school, knowing that the battle for identity is meaningless without education.
आजकल में तो पढ़ाई साता है, दुनिया में तो पढ़ाई है ना, इसलिए हमारे दिल में पड़ता है क्या ना, लड़की सबको पढ़ाई की करके जो कोई मेहमान ले जाओ, कोई ले जाने से भी तो मेहमान बोलेगा जैसे साला हाँ पढ़ाई है लड़की, तू पढ़ाई है।
हमारे पास किताब खरीदने के लिए पैसे भी नहीं है और ड्रेस भी नहीं है, सब कुछ जला दिया घर पर।
स्कूल जाओगी दोबारा?
दोबारा जाऊंगी।
Funds are one part of the problem. Harder to dispel are fears of what lies outside the confines of the village.
अभी बंद है, आस में बंद है। आस में हम बोला है जे कोई जगह में मत जाओ, घर में रहो, कोई ठीक नहीं है, आज जमाना खराब हो गया।
इलिटारेट बिमा बिफाफ्राबो बुजियो, बुजिनानै दा स्कुलाव थिनहरो, फोरोङो, खस्थ' खालामनानैबाबो दा नाथाय जोंहा मोनसे समस्या जाबाय।
दाबो एसे बिदिनो फै दं, गन्दगल खोनायो ना, ओजोंबो खोनायो, एसे फै दाबो थांलाय फैलाय एसे खस्थ'।
बिदिनो बिराद खस्थ', बिमा बिफायाबो फैसा हरनो हाया, जेबो हरनो हाया, नांगौ बुस्थुफोरखौ अबेखौबा मोना, बिदिनो लेखाफोरखौबो दाबो अबेखौबा मोनाखै आङो।
फिसौ सानै दं हनै, ओमफ्राय दा फिसाजो सासे दं, फिसाला सासे दङमोन, बेनिफ्राय दा फोरोंदों बिदिनो मोजां। आंनाथ' फिसाला सासेल' नालाय दा मोजां जाथों होननानै आं फिसौफोरखौ गोसो होदोंमोन आरोखि।
A hope 14-year-old Pooja Brahmo has given up on. Her home was burned down, as was her father's shop. The compensation received was barely adequate to rebuild their home. Her father now makes ends meet by selling country liquor, earnings that are too meagre to afford Pooja and her sister's school fees.
लेखाया अबेबा दं अबेबा गैया।
अबेबा दं अबेबा गैया। ओमफ्राय लेखा बायनो न'निफ्राय माबानो हायाखै नामा?
बिदिनो जों बिब' बिनानाव साथामना।
औ।
बिमा बिफायाबो बेनो होबा बेनो होनांगौ थायो। बिनानाव सासे दं, बेबो क्लास 10आव फरायो।
In times of conflict, everyone suffers. Within that, women emerge as most vulnerable, especially girls. Across the globe, typically as a conflict evolves, girls drop out of schools in alarming numbers. Fearing they would be the easiest targets, families never let them out of sight. Forget a school that's far.